Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to extract the audio from the video by using the CapCut in our Android or iPhone. So first of all, you have to just import the video. Like I am selecting this video and then click on the add, and now you have to just click on your video timeline to select it, and at the bottom menu you have to just select for an option which is named as the extract audio. Once you find this option, you have to just click on it, and after some processing it will extract your audio from this video. So yes, you can see that audio has been extracted here. But guys, in some cases we want to extract the audio from another video. So let me guide how to do this. I just delete this audio from here and then import the audio of another video from my gallery. So for this you have to just unselect the video timeline, and then you will find here an option of the audio. You have to just click on it. So in this option you will find the four options. You have to just click on the extract it. Once you click on it, it will take you to your gallery. You have to just select for the video of which audio you want to use. Click on that video and then click on import sound only. Once you done it, you will successfully extracted the audio of that video. So yes, this is a simple way to extract the audio from any video by using the CapCut app. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.